Does this sound like your relationship with AI? Hey ChatGPT, give me 10 digital product ideas. You then hit enter and you get the same familiar list. Generic budget planners, keto ebooks, Canva templates. Maybe you spend your weekend creating a product page. You then hit publish and nothing. Zero sales. If that's happened to you, I want you to know it's not about your work ethic. Has nothing to do with that. Guess what it is? It's the prompt that you're using. You need a better relationship with ChatGPT. Give me the next 10 to 11 minutes of your time, and I'll give you the exact 3-step prompt chain I use to understand my audience, identify a problem that keeps them up at night, and create a digital product that they are eager to buy. Yes, credit card in hand. Using this method, I turned a single Google Doc, hear this, into $15,000 in 90 days. And I'm going to go through it here for you so you can copy and paste every step. If you have to listen to the video over again, please do so, or you can pause it and write anything down. Please have your notebook and pen ready because I'm going to dive right in. I'm about to unpack some real hidden gems. Okay, so here's why generic prompts fail. Most people go to ChatGPT, they ask for ideas, and they just stop there. The problem is that without good information or specific information, AI gives you generic answers. It's like asking a talented chef to cook dinner for someone without telling them about any allergies the person might have, preferences, or dietary needs. You'll probably get something simple and edible from the chef, but not memorable or desirable. The key is to flip the script. Instead of starting with a generic idea, we are going to start with a specific problem. And then we're going to use ChatGPT to build a perfect solution. You can even do this for your own personal life. We're going to stack 3 prompts together. I call them the Persona Plus, the Pain Point Excavator, and the Viral Product Solution. Each prompt builds on the last one, tightening the focus until the final product idea feels like it was custom made for your specific customer. First, you need to understand who you're selling to on a deep level. Copy and paste this prompt. I'm going to read it. Forget demographics. This is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. I need a living, breathing, day in the life persona for, and then you put your niche here. Give me their secret self-talk, who they envy on Instagram, the last thing they Googled at 2 a.m. in the morning, and the exact words they'd use to rant about their problems on a forum like Reddit. Write it in the first person, give me around 300 words, and give me in a casual tone. End of prompt. So instead of getting a boring description like woman aged 25 to 44, you'll get someone like Ashley, a 31-year-old mom who just Googled, will my toddler ever sleep through the night, while stress eating and looking at pictures of perfectly organized pantries on her phone. When you create a product for a real live person like Ashley, it will resonate on a personal level. And that connection is what makes people want to buy your product. Now that you have your persona, you're going to use this next prompt to figure out their biggest problems. So you are now going to follow up with the previous prompt. All right, you're going to say below is a persona. That's Ashley. List the 20 most urgent micro pains they feel today. Rank them by how often they are mentioned in forums on TikTok. Bold the top 3 problems that cost them either sleep or money. ChatGPT will then generate a list of specific struggles. For Ashley, ChatGPT might bold problems like, I waste so much time every morning hunting for matching toddler socks. Or, I'm terrified my massive email backlog will get me in trouble at work. When people are already complaining about these problems online, yes, it's a huge sign that they're actively looking for a solution, a now solution. Yes. Now for the final step where we create the product idea itself. So you're going to use this prompt. Here's where the prompt starts. Using the top 3 pain points that you gave me, brainstorm 5 digital products or the 15 pages that deliver a quick 24-hour solution. For each problem, give me a shareable hook, a visual element people would want to screenshot, and 1 sentence of affiliate-friendly copy, that sales page. This will give you incredibly specific sellable ideas like, for example, a 5-sock routine printable that helps parents sort toddler socks for the entire week, or a 2-hour email escape spreadsheet that automatically sorts your Gmail account into folders like reply, delegate, or delete. Each of these ideas comes with built-in marketing. Moms will post before and after photos of their organized sock drawers, and office workers will then share screenshots of their empty inbox. This creates social proof and generates free marketing, all without you spending any money on ads. This 3-step process is the absolute core of creating profitable digital products. And you won't hear this on YouTube. If you want to see real-world examples of this method in action, I've actually bundled up my best-selling digital products like the pre-order bump sale with 300 plus AI creator success prompt hacks and the audience retention system in my digital store. They can give you a massive head start, and I'll provide the link to these bundles for you in the description below. But for now, let's run this other prompt stack for a new niche. And that's new dads who like to play video games. So I'm talking to you. The Persona Plus prompt gives us Marcus, who is 29 years old, who hasn't played his favorite game, Elden Ring, in 3 weeks because the baby monitor goes off every 5 minutes. The Excavator prompt highlights a key pain point. I feel guilty gaming while my partner handles the baby's night feedings. That's the pain. The solution prompt then gives us the 2 a.m. co-op planner, a simple Notion dashboard that syncs the baby's feeding schedule with short 20-minute co-op missions so both parents can relax and play the game together. I bought this product in 14 minutes, listed it for sale at 9 p.m. and woke up to 120 sales at $7 each. That's around $880, somewhere thereabout. While I was sleeping, that's what I made, all because the prompts found a specific point of guilt, pain, and it offered a simple fix. I hope you're getting value from this so far. Let's continue. If you want effective prompts like what we just covered, ready to copy and paste, plus 100 preloaded digital product ideas, you can snag my ChatGPT Prompt Pack from the link in the description. It's a 10-second download that can save you weeks of guesswork. As a bonus, you'll also get my list of 30 affiliate partners. Get this. It's a directory of affiliate promoters who are anxiously waiting to sell your digital product for you as soon as it's finished. So what are you waiting for? Go grab my bundle and go finish that product. A single product is great, but a product that evolves can build a real business, a real digital business. Here's another step that is important. Once your product is out there, you're selling it, you started to sell it, ask ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas for product updates I can add to this product on a monthly basis. Each update should take under 20 minutes to create, but feel significant enough to announce to my email list of past buyers. You can expect ideas like seasonal add-ons, gamification with a leaderboard, or even TikTok video challenges. The sky is the limit, honey. My toddler sock printable now has a winter edition. The same toddler sock printable, yes, I created it, and special symbols for colorblind users. Every time I release a small update, I see a new wave of sales, often around 60% of the original launch volume, without any new marketing effort, no ads. Many sales are lost because of small hesitations that a customer might have. Yes, some customers might, I wonder if I need this. To address these ahead of time, because you have to be ahead of your game, use this prompt into ChatGPT. List the top 10 reasons, and then you insert the persona here of the person who would not buy this product. For each reason, give me a one-sentence story or statistic that I can use to help the buyer overcome their objection or hesitation. You'll get powerful lines that you can use on your sales page. For example, it's $7, which is cheaper than the coffee you'll need after rage matching socks for an hour. Sprinkling these onto your page, your sales page, can help ease customer concerns. And it's fun. People like to be lightheartedness, and it will significantly improve your conversion rate. I'm not done yet. Don't go anywhere. A great product with no audience won't make any sales. Let me explain. So start getting traffic on autopilot. Use this prompt. Write a 5-slide Twitter thread that hooks the reader with the pain point, teases the win from my product, and ends with a soft call to action. Make the first line so specific, it will only be for that person. For example, the first slide could say, my toddler socks have a better social life than I do. They keep meeting new friends in the laundry room after being left behind in the dryer. And I have to go back and grab them. That's so fun. That level of specificity stops the scroll. It's different. It earns clicks. It's fun. And it tells social media algorithm to show your post to more people, especially your ideal customer. You can post this once, you can fit it to your profile, and you can let it continue generating sales. Now, another thing is that digital products can feel outdated over time. So you need to refresh it. You need to keep your product fresh periodically. So you're going to ask ChatGPT. In order to do that, you're going to ask ChatGPT, what new trend could make this product feel old? Give me a 2-paragraph tweak that freshens it up in under 10 minutes. When the Barbie core trend was all over social media, ChatGPT suggested that I create a hot pink version of my sock template. It took me 2 minutes, and the printable started trending on Etsy all over again. I'm not joking. You know why? Perceived novelty can lead to new sales without you having to build a whole new product. Isn't that amazing? You have to know how to use ChatGPT. It's time to stop guessing. Use the Persona Plus prompt to get inside your customer's head. The Excavator prompt to find their exact pain points. And the solution prompt to build something they are excited to buy. That's what they want. I use this exact prompt stack to take a Google Doc from $0 to $15,000. And Marcus's gaming planner added another 800 and something overnight. Your audience is telling you what problems they have and the problems that they will pay you to have solved. So let ChatGPT show you the way. Let ChatGPT show you how. Grab my prompt pack from the link below. Build your product tonight. List it for sale before you go to bed. And wake up to those sales notifications. They will make you feel good. And if you want to see me go through another one of these ideas from scratch, check out my next video. It could be right above the screen there, where I'm going to spill the beans on how to create clips and loops that will sell your digital products for you. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss that video. Promise you, you don't want it. Then you're going to come back here and leave a comment to let me know how it went. I really want to know. And I would even feature the best success story in one of my upcoming videos. Is that a deal? Cool. Now go turn that prompt into profit. And make sure you grab my digital bundle, my prompt pack, immediately. You will thank me later. See you in the next video. Go make some money now.